Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we bring you a recipe for making curd chicken, or you can also call it chicken kadai. So here for making this recipe I have taken 1 kg of chicken, washed and cleaned, and now I'm going to marinate it and adding some curd or yogurt, then adding the spices, in which I have 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, and a fistful of dried methi or fenugreek leaves, which I have just crushed on my palm. And now I'm adding ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and now 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. If you have mustard oil you can use that. And now mixing it well. And also we have to add salt. I forgot adding salt, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Again mixing it a bit, and now I will keep it for marination for about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna cook it, and here in the pan I have taken some oil, to which I have added some whole spices, and here I have 1 medium-sized onion, some green chilies, ginger garlic cloves, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Here I have added the onion to the oil, and will fry it until it becomes golden. Here I am adding the chopped ginger garlic to it. You can also add ginger garlic paste. And now here I am adding the tomatoes, and some chopped green chilies. Saute the tomatoes until the oil is released, and here I'm gonna add the marinated chicken to the pan, and now I will cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, because initially the chicken will release some water, and we have to cook it until that water gets reabsorbed and the oil comes out. Here after about 20 minutes I have also added 2 whole slit green chilies, just to add a nice to make it visually appealing. And here it's almost ready. I have dished it out and garnished it with some fresh coriander leaves, and here the curd chicken is ready. If you want to skip the curd or marination step, then just cook it with the usual method, and that is called chicken kadai. But if you marinate it, then it becomes curd chicken. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.